Today I share with you all how I prepare this delicious mackerel fish stew. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have some pepper mix, some oil, locust beans, salt and seasoning cube, and mackerel fish. I cut all the pepper into small pieces and then I add it into the food processor and then I go ahead and blend it roughly. You can blend yours smoothly if you want. I added some oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I added the locust beans aka iru and I add some onion as well. I fry it for a couple of minutes. Few minutes later, I went ahead and had the roughly blended pepper and then I stir everything together and it's looking so good already. And at this point, I'll go ahead and add my seasoning. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, alright? But today, I just want to try something new. I want to add priseke, so I will just add the priseke, salt and seasoning cube. You guys know when you use priseke in pepper soup, it tastes so great. So I was curious to see how it's going to taste in stew as well. That is why I'm making use of it today. And trust me, guys, it tastes absolutely delicious. And that is the reason why I didn't add garlic or ginger into my stew. Once I had all the seasoning, I stir everything together. I cover it and then allow to boil down a little bit. And at this point, I will give it a good stir again. And then I'll go ahead and add my fish and some boiled egg. Once I had the fish and the egg, I gently move everything around, taste for seasoning, cover it and allow to cook. And while it's cooking, I check on it. Back to the pot, I just check on it again. I will gently stir everything together, cover it and then continue to fry the stew on a medium to low heat until it's done. Oh yeah, now take a moment to appreciate the color of the stew. You guys, the stew look absolutely delicious and it tastes so great, guys. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.